Hello, and welcome to this Expert Viewpoints video. Let's begin by hearing expert opinions on how product owners can assist the development team.
When it comes to supporting development teams, I believe the product owner is responsible to make sure the development team understands the product's direction and goals. They also should be available for quick questions, do things like attend daily stand-ups, and provide clear, timely information on the direction of the product goals. They also should act as a shield for the team, managing stakeholder requests so they can focus on development.
When it comes to supporting development teams, I believe the product owner's key role is being available and responsive. And then it's really important to provide clear and timely feedback on work in progress.
The product owner is the liaison between the customer and the team. Some things that they can do to support the development team include, number one, be accessible. Be able to respond to questions regarding user story needs and value. Secondly, support the sprint. Work closely with the Scrum Master and the team to eliminate any blockers that may develop that impact the team's ability to get to done. And finally, be willing to negotiate priorities and solutions with customers to ensure the team's capacity, skills, and dependencies are met.
Next, let's listen to experts share common team interaction challenges product owners face and how to overcome them.
Common challenges that I've encountered include competing priorities between different stakeholders or different groups within the organization, and then the development team's technical needs. So I think product owners should handle these challenges by really maintaining transparent communication and then helping, both sides or different groups of stakeholders understand each other's perspectives. So sometimes that's as simple as translating some technical constraints that the development team has into business terminology for different stakeholder groups or executives.
Let's use the 3 C's of a user story: the card, the conversation, and the confirmation. The product owner is the keeper of the product backlog. Each user story or card must be well-defined and satisfy SMART, S-M-A-R-T, criteria. That stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and timely. Secondly, the product owner facilitates the conversation. Conversation 1 is with the customer. Determine a mutually agreeable role, need, and value. Conversation 2 is with the team. Review the role, need, and value in the user story and negotiate solutions to get to done. Finally, the confirmation is the big challenge. The customer and team both, and I emphasize both, must agree with the entire user story to include the role, need, value, and solution before the user story is prioritized and placed in the product backlog.
The key is maintaining clear lines of communication while ensuring all parties appreciate the challenges and constraints faced by others in the product development pipeline.